Hey there, tech-savvy shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest digital tools to make your online shopping smoother. Today, we're diving into how to use Wells Fargo Digital Wallet on Amazon in 2025. With the rise of contactless payments, Wells Fargo's digital wallet is a game-changer for secure and speedy transactions. If you're tired of fumbling with cards or apps, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First off, what's Wells Fargo Digital Wallet? It's a secure app that lets you store your debit and credit cards digitally on your smartphone. By 2025, it's integrated with even more platforms, including Amazon, making purchases a breeze. Before we jump in, make sure you have a Wells Fargo account set up and the app downloaded on your iOS or Android device. You'll also need an Amazon account linked to your payment methods. Step 1. Open the Wells Fargo app and log in. Navigate to the Wallets section and add your cards by scanning them or entering details manually. Once added, enable the digital wallet feature for mobile payments. Step 2. Head over to the Amazon app or website. During checkout, look for the payment options and select Add a new payment method. Choose Wells Fargo Digital Wallet from the list. By 2025, this should be prominently featured. You'll be prompted to authenticate via your phone's biometrics, like fingerprint or Face ID, for extra security. Step 3. Confirm your purchase. After selecting items and proceeding to pay, authorize the transaction in the Wells Fargo app. It's that simple. You'll get a confirmation on both platforms, and your order will be on its way. One quick tip. Always keep your app updated for the latest 2025 features, like enhanced fraud protection. If you run into issues, like connection errors, double-check your device's compatibility and restart the apps. There you have it. Using Wells Fargo Digital Wallet on Amazon is straightforward and secure. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how it goes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.